We are joined by the management of we're joined with the management of NIIT Learning right now. Sapnesh Lalla, CEO, NIIT Learning System, is joining us. Hi, Mr. Lalla. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
Mr. Lalla, tell us the overall margins have reduced by 10% to 47%. What has led to this degrowth in the margins?
Well, the margins have actually not degrown by 10%. The margins are robust at 24%. EBITDA margin is at 24%. The revenue has grown 4% year on year. The PAT is up 22% year on year. So the margins continue to be robust and have grown reasonably.
Right. I beg your pardon, Mr. Lalla. Also, tell us the company has added 2 new MTS customers and any more any bigger client additions, expected over the next 2 to 3 quarters. And which sectors are the client requests really coming from?
So we've added 2 new customers, like you pointed out, one FMCG top 10, as well as one energy top 10 market leaders in their industry segments. We see growth in BFSI. We have a number of opportunities in BFSI. We have seen a quarter-on-quarter recovery on tech. We onboarded a large customer who's a tech major just a quarter ago, and we are starting to see ramp up from a tech perspective. So we see a recovery in tech. We see robust growth in BFSI as well as life sciences.
Also, Mr. Lalla, company has been stating that a strategic focus on innovative solutions, including the Gen AI platforms, have been a key drivers for the company and for customer addition and retention. So, what kind of incremental growth and contribution to top line is expected from these segments? Give us a color on that as well.
So our customers are continuing to trust us with more and more work. They are looking at how we are innovating. They are embedding the fact that we are among the best in innovation across the industry as they make choices for long-term relationships with us. So from an overall perspective, our customers feel that we have the pole position on use of AI in learning. While our customers have not started using AI in learning at enterprise scale, but the fact that we have solutions available gives them confidence that as their organizations start becoming more open to use of AI at an enterprise scale, they will have a partner who will be able to enable them to get those benefits. They are starting to use AI at departmental level on small proof of concepts. We have done a number of them, but slowly the customers are starting to warm up to use AI at enterprise scale.
Lalla, any new product launches or any tie-ups on the annual for company?
We have a number of innovative products that we work with for our customers, but most of what we do is custom built for our customers. So we meet the customers where they are and custom build our solutions around their specific needs.
Also, how about the headcount trend? What does that look like for the next 2 to 3 quarters? Any softness coming in any of the sectors?
For us, the headcount has, from a year-on-year perspective, gone down a little bit because we've seen some productivity gains by deploying some of the innovative technologies that we have built. Over time, we think that we will increase headcount. Across our customers, we are not seeing excessive increases in headcount. In fact, with some of our professional services customers, we actually saw a decline in their headcount.
Also, finally, Mr. Lalla, are you seeing more outsourcing opportunities as demand from developed markets have improved, and also India has become a key place for global delivery centers?
Yes, we are seeing increased outsourcing demand as the uncertainty persists and there is pressure on cost, as well as there is a desire to innovate. We are at that interesting intersection where there are a number of organizations who are looking at restructuring, and that restructuring is being caused by an effort to drive down costs, increase variability, as well as a desire to transform using new innovative technologies. So we are at that cross section, and I think we are very well positioned to take benefit from being at the position where we are in terms of acquiring new customers, retaining our existing customers, as well as expanding what we do with our existing customers.
All right, Mr. Lalla, thank you so much for taking the time out and joining us on ET Now with.
There comes a time when your heart calls for you to arise. Plant your feet solid into the ground. Decide your own limits, and then break right through them. Become something more. It's my time to rise.